A breaking update that we are getting to know from the army side, a statement that has been issued, where during the de-escalation process underway in the Galwan Valley, a violent face-off took place yesterday night with the casualties that have been reported, a fresh standoff that has been reported at the LAC. The loss of lives on the Indian side includes an officer and two soldiers. Now, senior military officials of the two sides are currently meeting at the venue to defuse the situation. This is big as far as new standoff between India and China that have been reported. And this is in the Galwan Valley, where it is being said in the army statement officially that has now come out, where during the de-escalation process underway at the Galwan Valley, a violent face-off took place yesterday night with casualties. This is for the first time probably we are getting reports of casualties that have been reported in the border areas, where the loss of lives on the Indian side includes an officer and two soldiers who have been martyred, and senior military officials of the two sides are currently meeting at the venue to defuse the situation. Tejinder, what's happening there at the Galwan Valley, where we are getting to know that violence has seemingly escalated with loss of lives? Tejinder, what is the update? Can you share with us?
Yes, right now this is the breaking news which we are breaking here on Republic TV, that last night an escalation took place between the Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army as they were de-escalating the process on the line of actual control. And the statement, the official statement which the Army has so far released, they said that the violent de-escalation, the violence took place yesterday night with casualties. The loss of life on the Indian side includes an officer and two soldiers. One officer of the Indian Army and two soldiers of the Indian Army, they have attained martyrdom during the violent clashes between the People's Liberation Army and China on the line of actual control in the Galwan Valley. This is what the Indian Army official statement has said. They have said that the senior officials of the two sides are currently meeting at the venue to defuse the situation. So right now, in the past several decades, for the first time, there has been an incident of violence on the line of actual control between China and the Indian side. Yes, Amita.
Well, information that is coming in, a colonel and two jawans have been martyred in this action during the clash that has been reported with the Chinese troop in Galwan Valley in Ladakh. That is being reported as of now, a fresh standoff. And probably for the first time in many years, we are looking at violence to such a state that has been escalated between India and China. But Tejinder, what about the talks that they were happening? Because India and China continue to hold dialogue at the brigade commander and battalion commander level as well. And that was happening in the Galwan and the Hot Springs area.
See, Amita, as per the army, the de-escalation had already started at several points. We also saw how the Chinese army, they had agreed that to de-escalate the situation on. If you remember, on 6th of June, there were dialogue that were held between the Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, who is the corps commander of the Leh-based 14 Corps of the army, and his counterpart on the Chinese side. This dialogue was held, and the ME issued a statement that the dialogue held in a cordial atmosphere, and both the sides agreed to continue the dialogue process. There were also reports that both the sides, they had agreed to de-escalate the situation, and the Chinese army had already moved back by 2.5 kilometers in the Galwan Valley. And now this statement has come from the army that this violent clashes took place last night, in which a colonel ranked officer and two jawans were killed in action during a clash with the Chinese troop in the Galwan Valley. So it is a serious matter of concern, because since past several decades, this is the first time that any soldier of the Indian Army has lost his life in a violent clashes that took place on the line of actual control. The last confrontation had taken place in 1967-69, and after that, not a single bullet has been fired. There were around 5 treaties that have been signed between the Chinese army and the Indian army to ensure that is peace and tranquility on the line of actual control between the two nations. Though there were earlier there were instances of transgression into each other's territory, but this is for the first time in last several decades that that a soldier, an officer and 2 soldiers of the Indian army, they have been killed in action on the line of actual control. So clearly it seems that the dialogues that were being held, the situation continues to be grim on the line of actual control, be it in the Galwan Valley or the Pangong Tso Lake. So clearly, now the Indian army has said that this is an interim statement and they will be coming out with a detailed official statement in any time soon. But for the first time, this has happened that a colonel rank officer, 2 soldiers, they have been killed in action on the line of actual control. For the first time since 1969-67, this is for the first time that now the army will tell how this escalation, how this violence took place, what was the cause of this violence, were there bullets fired or there were any other arms and ammunition that were used to target each other. And also the army statement does not state that has there been any casualty on the Chinese side, has there been...
Well, Tejinder, stay on with us. Let me get Abhishek Kapoor on board for more on this, because we do not know exactly what had happened. Zeenat is also joining us live, because Zeenat, the talks that have been happening all along right after the 6th of June talks and many more rounds of talks that have been held, you have the Indian and the Chinese troops that were backing off from the Galwan Valley, from PP-15 and from the hot springs area in eastern Ladakh to several kilometers back. What really triggered this provocation?
See, Amita, we need to wait what the Indian Army will say in its official press release. But we have been seeing several rounds of talks between India as well as Chinese government. There were military level talks also, and talks were also about de-escalation of tension between the two countries. But at the same time, now we are picking that the colonel rank officer and there are 3 casualties from the Indian side. But are there the casualties from the China side? We need to wait and watch. But the kind of escalation that is going on, because there are 3 main points where you have the tensions, whether it is the Galwan, is the Pangong and the other places. And simultaneously, we have been seeing the kind of clashes that have been going on. It is really having a bad impact on the relation between the 2 neighboring countries. Although people as well as the armies have been maintaining that the talks will help, but at the same time now we are seeing tensions that are rather escalating than de-escalating.